welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yadira, and for today's video, as you can tell by the title, I tried the CHLOE Ting's 2-week ab workout challenge, and let me tell you, that challenge is no joke. It'll seriously have you sore for about like 4 to 5 days, so a little disclaimer right there. But anyways, basically who CHLOE Ting is, she is a fitness YouTuber here on YouTube, and she has so many videos, whether you want to work out your abs, your butt, your arms, your legs, anything you can think of, she literally has on her channel. So if you guys want to check her out, go ahead and I'll have her link down below for you guys. And basically with this challenge, like the first couple days, you are going to be struggling. You are not going to be able to complete the workout on the first day. I literally didn't complete the whole workout till about like day 5 or 6 because the first couple days I was really sore, and some of the workouts were just really painful to do. So I was like, yeah. Pretty much with dieting, I wasn't like on a strict diet, but I was on a somewhat strict diet. Towards the beginning I was on a very like strict diet, but then towards the end I kind of just started like, but I didn't drink any soda, I didn't go out to eat, I didn't eat any junk food, any bad foods or like sweets or anything like that. So I was really watching what I ate, and I feel like if you are not eating good and you do this challenge, you're not going to see any progress. But then if you are eating well and you do this challenge, then you are definitely going to start seeing some progress. I've seen some videos on here and I'm like, ooh, I want abs like those. So that's why I decided to do this challenge. Pretty much what I did was every single day I was kind of like vlogging and I was showing my workouts, but I am gonna kind of like speed them up because if not, this video is gonna be really long. And after every workout I was showing you guys what my belly was looking like, so you can see what my belly's looking like from day 1 all the way up to day 14, and you are gonna see some progress. And I actually think I'm gonna continue doing the challenge because I really want some like noticeable abs now. So if you guys are interested to see what my journey was like, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I have my water right here. I have her on my TV already, and I am wearing a big old sweater because I really just want to like feel the burn. So let's get to it. So I just finished day 1 and I am dying. Oh my god, that was crazy. Alright guys, so we are now moving on to day 2, and little update, my arms hurt right here and definitely my abs. I sneezed earlier today and it really hurt. But yeah, that's pretty much my update. I am going to be showing you guys what they're looking like on day 2. So probably no like big change or anything like that. So yeah. Welcome to day 7. So I started seeing progress about 2 days ago, but I really started seeing progress yesterday after that workout. And to be honest, I am just like shook. And also, quick little disclaimer, I didn't take any measurements just because I don't really care about the measurements. I mostly just care about what it looks like, if that makes any sense. I hope that I see progress by the end of week 2, and I will definitely keep you guys posted with before and after pictures. I'm actually really excited because I've been really like going at it, and I've been on such a strict diet of what I eat. I haven't been eating anything bad, no sweets, no soda, no nothing. So very strict diet, and we'll see what the end results are after this week. I'm actually very excited. Hopefully I can keep it up, but stay tuned. So I want to show you guys my dog real quick because she recently got spayed on Thursday, and this is what she has done to her little cone. So we are now on day 10, and I have seen some great progress lately. We are kind of like winding down to the end of the challenge, so I'm very excited to see the results and all that stuff. So I'm about to work out, and then afterwards I'm going to be showing you guys what it's looking like so far, so stay tuned. Today is day 14. Today is the last day, and I definitely started seeing some progress. I still have to actually finish the workout, but I wanted to show you guys like what it looked like before. So I noticed that like I got the little sides right here, and also the line started like being more noticeable, and this is pretty much what it looks like. So my belly looks a lot flatter than it did before. So I still haven't worked out right now. I'm actually about to go do that right now, and then I'll show you guys the final results. So that was it for today's video. Let me know if you guys want me to do any more challenges like this or something related like this. Other than that, just don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.